Welcome all, and I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to look at why your drawings are looking flat and they have no sort of 3D shape, and how we're going to fix it. And you might have seen in the intro there was a picture of a bowl of fruit, and the drawing, you could recognize the fruit, but it didn't have any kind of substance. It was pretty much a flat drawing. So I'm going to show you how to fix it by using a simple sphere. Very difficult to pronounce that sometimes, but yes, a simple sphere or an egg shape or anything. And you can do this with cubes, pyramids, spheres, any shape you like. It will work the same, and if you practice this, you will get good at getting 3D looks and to get more realistic looking drawings. So let's have a look how to do it. So you want to know why your drawings look flat. So let's just have a look. Let's take a normal sphere. I hope you can see that. Oh, I'm not drawing very well, but most people will shade it and it will supposedly look like a sphere, but it's flat, because you've got to understand that a sphere is actually, it actually has form and it has shape. It's not flat. So how do we achieve this? Again, we draw our sphere, and now we need to look at where the light is coming from. So let's say the light is shining from that angle. So then immediately you know that this side is going to be darker than the rest. Now I'm going to show you a little trick here that I like to use to help me with shading. And give me 1 sec, I'll be back. Ordinary old tissue paper, blue paper, toilet roll, whatever you want, and it actually will smooth out your shading if you haven't gone too aggressively with your pencil. So let's carry on. Put some more in here. It's a bit difficult with a small pencil, but I'm doing my best. So this area here is going to stay unshaded. Okay, now don't be scared, because you know this side is dark. So what you do is lightly shade the middle. So we call this the dark tones, the mid tones, and the highlights. Now blend everything nicely together, and it still looks flat. So now do not be scared. Go in with your darks and make them really dark. And I'm using a, what is this? I think it's a B, some B, 4B, 6B, somewhere around there, and make it really dark. All the way to the top where the light stops. There where the edge is, don't be afraid to make your edge. I'm messing it up because I'm trying to draw it an angle here, but you can really get aggressive here with your darks. And once you've got these darks in, you don't need to go crazy with the midtones, because when you take your paper and you go and rub it in on the midtones from the darks, you should get midtones. You might need to make them a little bit darker. Okay, so it's already starting to look better than it was. I need to fix up this here. And then I need to make my midtones a bit darker as well. So already that is looking better than the one on the left. So now what you can do is you can take your eraser and just lightly highlight that area to accent it. And you can see where the light is shining. Now to make it look more realistic, I just need to fix, I don't like that edge, I'll mess that edge up. I do apologize for that, but yeah, I'm gonna go a bit darker here, just to try and fix it a little bit. But these are good exercises to use to get your eye to see the actual shape and form of things, and to note where they get darker, where they get lighter, and where the light source is coming from. So, give it a quick once over with the old paper. And now, what you need to do is, you'll see that this is going to form because the light is here, it's going to form a shadow. So don't forget about the shadow it's going to cast. So what I'd like you to try is drawing the sphere with the light coming from different angles. Okay, this shadow will be very dark, and it will highlight the actual edge of this sphere. So remember, it's going to take the same shape as the sphere more or less, but it's going to be elongated because of the source of the light. So what I'd like you to do is draw one with the light coming from there, draw one with the light coming from there, draw one with the light coming from there, and see how you go with that, and leave some comments and let me know how it went. Okay, so yeah, you can clearly see now some I've done after the demonstration. I took a bit longer with these, and you can see this one, the light is coming from the left, and you can see with this one the light is coming from the top, and with this one the light is coming from the right. And apologies for the flashes there because the fan is messing around a bit, but you can see, get the general idea of what you need to do to make your drawings appear three-dimensional and not flat. So give it a try. I've set the exercise. Have a go. Let me know how it went. I'd really love to hear from you in the comments.